Hi guys, today I will unbox and review SZJJ Kids Toys. It's mainly for 8+ ages of kids. The main feature of this car is that it has shock absorbing gear and the battery can be charged multiple times, and it has a nice remote control. So let's unbox the car. Okay, it has a nice packaging. As you can see, they have remote control, and to protect the wheels they give another two-sided paper box, and they give a screwdriver to open the battery lid, and that's the battery. They give two sets of battery. So this is the charger you can put on the USB, and they are recommending before running the car you have to charge the car fully. And to get the charge, make sure that you see there is a two holes in there, and this two pin, it should be goes to this hole like that. Yep, then put it on the charge, and then take the car out. Right, see, they protect the wheels very carefully. Right, it's an expert wheel in here, and the wheel is that it's a really unique wheel. You can press it, it can compress. So this is the shock absorber gear in here. So 4 wheels have the shock absorber, so it will get less vibrate, and it has really good interior. You see there is a wheel, there is a flashing light, but I don't think that it will flash. Then so that's the battery space. I'm going to unscrew it. And then put the battery in there. So this is the battery lid, and it will goes there. Okay, and then put the screw back again. Okay. So there is on off button, so I think it's on right now, and you can see the light. Wow, it has a nice light. And this one is the remote control. We are going to open it. control. And this is the battery. We'll put the battery in here, and the battery will be AA. They didn't keep the battery, we have to buy by ourselves. So fortunately I have batteries in my storage. I have these sets of battery, so I'm going to take 2 of them. Okay, on. So this one is for making the angle, and this one is for making the motion, and this wheel is for making the angle. So they give this one because you can put your finger in there and at the same time put the other finger in here, and like that. That's all. And they give a nice slip inside the box and saying that if I give a Amazon review, they will give lifetime warranty, also another RC care. So if you guys make the Amazon review, send a review to their email address, and you will get $30 refund or warranty card. If you want to buy this product, the purchase link in the description. Thank you so much.